Hi, my name's Christina. I'm the inside production manager here at EAS Roofing. I schedule all the jobs once it goes from the salesman, it comes into me. I schedule and I stay in contact with the homeowner from the time the job sells to the time we get their roof started. I order the dumpsters, the material. I use our CRM system to communicate with my project managers on the outside and my production manager on the outside, just so they know exactly what's going on with every job and where everything's going to be. And then I contact the homeowner with their information, and I also give the crew what they need for each project as well. I take pride when a customer tells me how happy they are when I do the follow-up calls after the installs. We get a lot of online reviews too, some handwritten ones, and we also have the app, which I feel like that's been helping. We've had that about a year now, so they can just go right on the app or have their friend download our app and they can send a referral that way. So if you went with our company, you would know exactly what's going on the whole entire time. There would be no hidden costs or anything that would be involved, and we would have great communication with you from the beginning all the way to the end.